Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to revolve tools using SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, I am going to select plane, front plane and sketch. Now go to line tools and select horizontal line. Now go to smart dimension. Now give the value this line dimension 85. 80. Now draw the line here. This line dimension 22.5. Now again here line. I am going to show randomly. Randomly from for primary student. This line dimension 10. Now again line draw here. Select. Now this line dimension, this line and this point distance, this line dimension 22.5 and this line dimension need to edit 14. Okay. Now I am going to draw hairline. Select. Now connect this line. Select. This point and this point connect. Now go to smart dimension. This line and this line dimension 10. This line dimension and this line dimension 10. And this line dimension 6. Okay. Now this line dimension 10. Now this line dimension 25. 25. And this line dimension 5.5. Okay. Select. Now go to feature and select revolve. This line select. Okay. Now this way select and sketch. Now here draw line. Select. Now give the dimension. This line and this point distance 4. Select. Now this circle convert entities. Now draw the hair center line. Make center line. Now go to mirror. Now select this line about this center line. Okay. Now go to trim. Now cut hair and hair. Select this line, this center line, and this line distance for select. Now go to feature. Now select this circle convert entities. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Now I have need this face. Here select contour. Okay. Now go to sketch again. Now select trim. Cut extra. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Now extrude cut. Now give the value here 12. Okay, select. Now go to this sketch again edit. Now go to check this line and this line distance. Check 53. Need 53. So this dimension delete and this dimension delete. Now I am going to give the value here 53. Okay. Now here give the value this line 10. Okay. Now here give the value 13. Okay. Now discard value 9. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to plane and select reference geometry plane. Now give the value here randomly 20 or as you wish. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the slot here. Now here select slot. Now go to select here shift, this arc and this arc. Give the value here 25. Now this line and shift select this arc. Give the value 6. Okay. Now go to now go to this point control this point horizontal. Okay. Now just need arc value Now give the arc below radius 1. Okay. Now go to feature extrude cut. Now here cut from surface face plane. Now here give the value 1. Okay. Now go to hidden. Now here fillet 1. Point 1. Now I'm going to fillet here point 3. Now go to here select circular pattern. Now here select feature and face. Now here select cut and fillet. Now give the value here 8. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to this face, select and sketch. Now here draw the circle, center circle made. Now give the value here 36. Okay. Now draw the circle here. Now give the circle below 5. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select roll. Now go to circular pattern. Now select here, select card. Now give the value 8. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the value circle below 15. Go to feature and extrude card. Now here give the value blind select and 30. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here give the value 17.5. Okay. Now I'm going to hair this face and this case. Now draw the rectangle here. Now give the below this rectangle to 4, this line 8, 4. Select this point, control this point, vertical. This point, control this point, vertical. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Now here give the value 13. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. No need plain white. Now here select shaded. No need shaded. Now I am going to here select fillet. Here and here and here. Here. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all, everyone. Share and like. If you have any ask, you can write comment.